Hello guys, here I have an interesting math tricks on finding squares in a simple way without even using calculators. I have picked an example here. We have to find the square of numbers which are end with 0 and end with 1. How do you find this number? Normally, when you're finding this number, we can take an example of 10, 11, 20, and we will go to find the squares of other numbers and we end up with an exercise. So, for this number of 10, we know that it is 100. So, the square of 11, we know that is 121. When you look at this, we can see that it is 10 times 2, then plus 1. It is 10 times 2 plus 1. When you look at here, it is 10 times 2 plus 1. Then, when we use this, we will take, we know that 220 is 400. Then, when we use this trick, we will take 20 times 2 then plus 1, which is 41. But mainly, we have 400, which is for 20, 400, then we add 41, which is for this one which end. So it is 20 times 2 plus 1, then we get 1. And this trick, is this trick working for other parts? Yes, it works. Let's check. For 30 square, it is 900. Then 31, it will be 900. Then we take this 30, multiply by 2, which is 60, then we add 1. It means we add 61, so we get 961. What about 40? The same as this. We know that 40, it is 1600. And then we take 41, it will be 1600. We add. What do we add? We add 40 times 2, which is 81. So we get 1681. Then I hope that you can use this. And by using this, what will we have here? Here we will have. We know that this is 500. Then we'll take this, we add with it 101. Because this times 2 is 100, then this is 1. So we get 2500 plus 101, then we get 2601. The same as this one, this is 3600, then 3600, 121, then this will be 3721, this is 4900. This is how we find the square of those numbers which end with 0. This one is 0 is 2 zeros, then this number is this one. Then this will be 4900. We add. What do we add? According to this, of course, it is 70 times 2, which is 1, 4, then 1. So we will get 4. We get 1, 4, 0, then 5. Then here we get 6400. We add. Take 6400. We add 80, which is 161. So we will get 6561. And what will it be? This one. Thank you.